Okay, today. Oh shoot! Wait, hold on. Today I'm going to cook some food. Yay! Okay, so what does? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook the egg. So it's like really hot. Please don't explode. Yeah, I'm making some hot zucchini. Oh! Did we get flippy? Yeah, it did work. Ooh, nice. W. And wait, hold on. Where did my beans go? Beanie. Oh dear. Okay, first we gotta get like the beans. And after we gotta stack up the beans while this is cooking. I'm gonna leave this cooking for a little bit. Oh. And then I'm gonna start on this. Why'd you keep on doing that, bro? It's not. No, now I gotta get these. The broccoli, yeah. And now I gotta cook them with the egg to come really flavor. Yeah. Hold on, let me just. With the egg, yeah, with the egg. The egg is ready. Now we gotta put it. Where the fuck did my pan go? Oh wait, there it is. Put that. Put that. Put that on. Put that on. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure I just gotta add some finishing details and then we'll be done. Yeah. Yeah, I know it always disappears, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, bro, what the fuck? Yeah, so it's basically finished now. As you guys can see, it's looking beautiful. Now guys, just Bumbukla. I think I'm kinda dead up here. Hello. Okay, that was end of video. Bye.